Under the Content Creation tab, hover over Social Media and Ads and select Find Industry Influencers from the drop-down menu. As you can see, you will initially be prompted with some basic questions about your business. Next, you can set the parameters for the type of influencers you believe best suit your needs, along with the main social media platforms you are trying to target. When you are done, click Generate and wait for your list to appear. You should be presented with a list of several influencers that fit the criteria, along with important information such as their primary social media platforms, follower counts, and any available engagement rates. As a helpful tip, you should also be given some relative notes about the influencers and advice on how to get in contact with them. As always, till next time.
Brainiest.